Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making an Iberico Pastrami Bikini Sandwich with Iberico Pastrami from Campo Grande. So there's a story behind the name Bikini Sandwich. In 1953, a Belgian restaurateur, Jean-Paul Heinz, wanted to start up a nightclub and a restaurant in Barcelona. And he wanted to serve a croque monsieur, the French ham and cheese sandwich. Unfortunately, at that time, Spain was ruled by Franco, and Franco didn't allow any foreign terms whatsoever. So Heinz decided to call it the house sandwich because his nightclub was called La Sala Bikini. Eventually, this became the Bikini Sandwich. And still today, all around Barcelona, you can find the Bikini Sandwich. So we're gonna make this with Iberico Pastrami from Campo Grande. So let's start opening up the package and see what it looks like. And look at the beautiful marbling on this piece. It's gonna be amazing. We wanna start preparing all the ingredients. So let's start with the bread. You wanna go with a country style or panini style bread. We wanna cut off the crust, square them up to make sure that they're the same size. We also have Manchego cheese where we wanna cut off the rind and set aside. Now it's time to slice the Iberico Pastrami from Campo Grande into thin slices. And you want to make sure you go as thin as you can. I do need to sample it to make sure it's good. And man, this is packed with flavor. Now we need to spread both sides of the bread with some really good butter. Now we want to place one layer of the sliced Manchego cheese. Then we want to add 3 to 4 slices of the Iberico pork. I like these a little bit gooey, so we're also going to add a slice of American cheese. Then we want to top it with the bread. Now it's time to place the plancha on our stovetop, and then we're going to grill the bikini sandwiches. I'm going to use my burger press from Pizza Spitz to flatten the bread. And when one side is brown, you want to flip them over and do the same thing on the other side. And the bikini sandwich in the back, it looks like we lost that one, but we still have 3 to go. Then you want to remove it from the plancha, and then these wonderful sandwiches are ready to serve. And that's how easy it is to make an Iberico Pastrami bikini sandwich. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And remember, if you're not happy with the Iberico pork from Campo Grande, they will refund you. But I guarantee you, this will be amazing. So here we go. Come on. So good, so easy to make. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.